The question was whether I'm gonna talk about reverse mortgages and their advantages and disadvantages.
And the qualifications, age.
那除了我们一般的房贷以外，我们还有所谓的 reverse mortgage， 就是说逆转房贷。那什么叫逆转房贷？他等一下会谈到说它的好处是什么，还有它的缺点是什么。
And to answer that question briefly, given the time I hadn't intended to go into reverse mortgages, but it's important to know that reverse mortgages are an option for elderly homeowners who own their properties outright. There are disadvantages to this program as well as advantages. It doesn't work for everyone. And if there's a particular homeowner that is interested in finding out more about it, how it would affect their legal position and situation, we're happy to talk afterwards, or you can give us a call in our office.
重要的地方就是说，请大家不要忘记写下这个电话号码5102718443，或者是他们的 website www.heraca.org。就是说他们是免费提供法律咨询。那当然我们知道 PT 他们的office 呢，他们也讲中文，如果您需要服务的话，也可以跟他们联络。那 reverse mortgage 我们刚刚说的逆转房贷呢，就是说这个比较适合在就是年长，就是说长辈他已经本身拥有这个屋子已经很长的一段时间。然后呢，他的贷款不是那么多，那他就因为他有一些他的价值在，所以他可以再去跟银行重新申请所谓的 reverse mortgage 逆转房贷。那它不是每一个人都适用，那当然它有它的好处，就是说我可以不用每一个月一直去付这个钱，因为银行借给你就是非常这个房子的价值，但是当你比如说走了离开这个世界了，然后所有的东西就是都是归银行的，你就没有办法说留给你的子孙或是还活着的一些什么其他东西，所以它有好处也有缺点。那这个就需要您自己就是说再去多谈一下，多了解，看银行它给你什么样子的 reverse mortgage 的 deal 这样。
Were there any other questions? I thought I had seen another hand.
请问还有没有其他的问题？
Okay, well, I just wanted to mention that I brought a few flyers with me from our organization. I've got them translated in Spanish, Vietnamese, and Chinese. But one just talks briefly about our organization. It'll be this flyer here, and I'll put it on the table. I'll find a space. John will help me find a space. I also brought with me a flyer that talks about the California foreclosure process and one that talks about tenants' rights as it applies to foreclosure. So they'll be out here, and feel free to come and ask me any questions in addition to picking up flyers.
所以呢，他也带了一些单张来。那这当中呢，有一些是已经翻译成为中文或者西班牙语或者是越南话。那重要的就是说，还有一份很重要的就是说，如果您是租屋者，那您原本的这个屋子的所有权人，如果他要面临被法拍的情况之下，对您本身虽然您只是租屋者，对您本身有没有什么影响，这也是您需要知道的。那同样的他会留下来，如果等一下大家还有什么希望能够得到解答的问题，他很欢迎大家能够跟他来联络。谢谢。请大家再一次给他掌声，谢谢他。
This we are